everybody. Today I'm bringing you my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I have a little bit of a history with Ipsy. Back when this channel was called Beauty on a Budget, but way back when, I was subscribed to the original Ipsy Glam Bag, the one that was $10 a month, came with sample size products. I would watch other people unbox their bags and they would get really neat products like Benefit, Urban Decay, and I really wanted to try those products. I never got them. Never. And then one month they gave me a spray bottle of water. Just water. I'm not kidding. And the next thing I got is water. It says thermal spring water. I just don't get it. I mean, it is water, right? I don't think there's anything else in it but water. So. After that, I canceled and I haven't looked back until now. Now they have Glam Bag Plus, which has 5 full-size products for $25. So let's see what I got. This is for January 2020. Cover yourself. All kinds of goodies inside. This month the theme is Clean Slate. This is your year. And inside it'll tell me what I got. I did peek so I know what I got. Let's start with this. This is the $1 Billion Brows Bestseller Kit. It comes with 4 different things, so it's like 4 in 1, which is cool. And it's kind of neat because I am almost out of my brow powder. I'm like scraping around the sides of the pan. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and I got a brow product in my BoxyCharm from this month, or from December, but it was the wrong color. It was way too light. So I'm excited for this. It comes with a brush. It's very flat. Good for smoothing on the concealer. So I've got a concealer and this is a highlight duo. One side is the concealer, one side is the highlight. You can see the lighter one is the highlight. There's a concealer. So that's cool. And then it comes with the actual brow product and it is a roll-up pen. And I think that this is going to be a good color. I don't think it's going to be too light. There we go. And it's a lot softer than I thought it would be. I've had a few brow pencils like this that were really, really like hard and chalky almost. And then last but not least, it comes with a clear brow gel. And there's the spoolie. I've never used a brow gel, but we can try it. These things can get a little unruly. So that's that. I'm going to wait till the end to say the values of everything. All right, next, I got a brush. It comes in this fancy, fancy box. This is from Complex Couture, and I've got the Press and Set Bronzer brush. It's kind of flat but fluffy, and it's so soft. It feels like a rabbit. Although it's not rabbit. And then it feels really like heavy in your hand. Something about, hold on, 100% biodegradable handle with a matte velvet finish. Luxuriously dense Syntec brushes. So it's not real rabbit. But it's so soft, and I'm always glad to get brushes because I don't have very many right now. So thankful for this. What else? Oh, I've got this Hannah Lay lip treatment, which is always exciting to have because in the winter, actually all year round, I have super dry lips. This is what it looks like. And this is in clear, and it's kind of like a petroleum. Go back in there. I'm excited to have this. Like they suggest, I'm going to put this on my bedside table and then slather this on before bed, kind of like a lip mask before bed. And not last, the next product is the Illamasqua liquid liner in black. And this has a nice felt tip, nice and pointy. I'm excited to have this as well because the last liner that I bought was that $3 e.l.f. liner, which worked great, but it's all dried up. So I'm excited to try this, see if it stays put. And then the last product that I got in my box is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It's got a mirror and then these beautiful colors. You can see where I've swatched it already. Purples, pinks, sparkly, mattes. This is super out of my comfort zone. I have been wearing brown eyeshadow since I was about 13 years old. I went to Big Lots and I got this little single pan of Almay eyeshadow. It was called Teddy Bear. And ever since then, I've been wearing brown shadow. So I don't know, maybe this could be my midlife crisis. I could start wearing bright pink eyeshadow. And then I could use this and do like a wing liner, right? No, I am going to play around with this and see if I can, you know, do like an everyday look with these colors. Let me swatch a little bit here. I like these three in the middle are super duper shimmery. Those are the three super shimmery, and they've got glitter in them. They're very glittery. These are the matte shades. I think they're very pretty. And last but not least, the kind of shimmery. They're not as glittery, but super duper purple. Oh my gosh. I would say they're a metallic finish. These three are the metallic. We'll see what kind of look I can get out of that. I'll have to watch maybe a tutorial. I'll have to watch a YouTube tutorial to see how I can play with these. That is everything in my base box. I did get some add-ons. So basically I have my $25 box, my base box, and I added about $25 worth of add-ons. So I made my own, what is it, Ipsy Premium? Is that what it's called? It's not a premium. What is it called? So let's go over the prices really quickly and then I'll show you my add-ons. All right, we'll start with the Hanalei lip treatment. This retails for $20. And then the billion dollar brow kit is no, I'm just kidding. It's close, it's $42. Wow. And then the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner, $22. And then this brush that I thought felt like a rabbit, $35. And then the Huda, and then the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Amethyst. It retails for $27. So I will put a total of the value of my box here. And let's move on to the add-ons. All right, let's start with the Beauty For Real Tinted Lip Balm in Brook. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. I got this for work because I thought I always have a lip balm for work. And then I thought that this would have just enough tint to make me look fresher, to make me look like I'm not exhausted and tired like I really am. And I wanted to point out this little horse. I found out that the Beauty For Real cosmetic line supports a charity that I guess it's for horses, working horses and mules, which I thought was kind of cool, right? I'm excited to put that in my work bag. I got another lip product. This is the Bella Pierre lipstick in Envy. And I'm wearing it right now, and I think it looks pretty good. This is the packaging and the lipstick. And it's this very buttery consistency. I really liked the softness of it. And then I got a Morphe concealer. This is called Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. I got it in C155. I am always on the lookout for a good concealer. I haven't found one yet that works under my eyes very well and like stays put. I'll put it on and it looks okay, and then like 5 minutes later it melts off. It's so weird. But this is the Morphe Concealer Doe Foot Applicator, and I think the color will be pretty good for me. A pretty good match. What else? Okay, I got the Too Faced Hangover RX, what's the official title here? Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water. So I guess it will refresh your face again so that I don't look like a zombie on my night shift. It's a little tiny bottle. A little will go a long way, I think, though. I'll show you the consistency of it. It is silicone free. Kind of a milky, it's pretty thin, but I'm excited to give that a try. And last but not least, I got an eyeshadow palette from The Balm. This is the Alternative Rock Palette Volume 1. It's a face palette, it's not just an eyeshadow palette. Here's the outside packaging. And on the back it's got the colors like they're the tracks. That's pretty cool. It's got a mirror. And then this is it. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's so pretty. It's got a lot of pinks. And then there's a brown and a nudie color of matte. And then we've got a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. So there's the mattes. You can't really see because it's like my skin tone. And then the dark brown, kind of a peachy pink. And then two that are kind of a metallic. This one's kind of a white. Ooh, that one's pretty. These two are the metallic, the glitter, and then the matte. All right, let me wipe these off and I'll show you the highlight bronzer. And of quartz you did. That's very pretty. And then Be Salt and Pepper is the highlighter. Ooh, it's got like a pink duochrome. It's hard to see in the camera there. So pretty. I'm excited to use these. These are more in my comfort zone, but fun at the same time. And I've always wanted to try the Balm eyeshadow. Balm anything, really. I didn't get water. I'm really happy with my box. Maybe because half of it I picked up myself. Maybe because I'm so short on all different makeup products that I am happy about anything that they give me. But yeah, $25. I think that was a really good deal. Oh, you know what I didn't show you? I did not show you the bag. This is the bag for this month. It's beautiful gray and white marble. Oh, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's a light pink, kind of shimmery. And then it's got the same color of little handle, a pink zipper, and then inside pink lining. The back of it is solid marble. I think this is really pretty and classy looking. Thank you for joining me, guys. I'm super excited because I have more boxes coming in the mail, so there'll be more videos coming up. Stay tuned.